In this video, we are going to discuss what is resonance condition and Q factor for series LCR circuit. So, yes, the first one we are going to discuss is what is resonance condition. What is resonance condition? Yes, we know that the expression for impedance whose unit also ohm only because all are as a resistance unit only. Z equal to what, children? Root over R square plus XL minus XC that whole square. This is the Z equation. So, suppose if the value of XL equal to XC, if this condition is satisfied, then what will happen, children? Then what will happen? You just see that above relation, then this term becomes 0. Therefore, Z minimum, that is equal to what, children? R. So, when Z decreases, also we know that, what we know, children? Yes, what we know, I is equal to what? V effective divided by Z. V effective divided by Z. When Z decreases, Z becomes minimum, current becomes the maximum. Therefore, I can say that I maximum, that is equal to what, children? V by Z minimum, that is equal to what, children? V divided by R. And this condition, when XL equal to XC, or we can say in terms of voltage also, or VL equal to what, children? VC also. Yes, but here I am talking about Z, so I am just considering XL equal to XC. Obviously, we know that XL equal to XC means V is equal to IXL, that is equal to IXC. II gets cancelled, then obviously we will get XL equal to XC only. So, in any given problem, you just check whether the impedance given by the inductor and capacitors are equal or voltage across inductor and capacitors are same, then obviously we can say that the circuit is under resonance condition. Okay, children. So, the current becomes the maximum value. Current becomes the what, children? Maximum value. This condition is called what, children? Resonance condition. So, when Z is minimum by XL equal to XC condition, then current will be maximum. This condition is called what, children? Resonance condition. And the next one, what we are going to find is the resonance frequency. Resonance what, children? Is a frequency. Resonance frequency, we can say that is omega naught or F naught, either angular frequency or frequency of the circuit, as that AC source. Now please see that since XL equal to XC for resonance condition, then we can write that this is L omega naught. Omega naught represents what, children? Resonance frequency value. Yes, when to distinguish from any other frequency, 1 divided by C omega naught. You just cross multiply this, we can get omega naught is equal to what, children? 1 by root over L by C. That is omega naught square equal to, so from this we can get that omega naught square is equal to 1 by LC, or from this we can get that omega naught equal to what, children? 1 by root of LC. So, this is the angular frequency in case of resonance condition. And also we know that omega naught equal to what, children? 2 pi by T or F naught, where F naught is frequency, resonance frequency. Therefore, I can say that F naught is equal to omega naught divided by 2 pi. Omega naught value is already there. Therefore, I can say that F naught equal to 1 divided by 2 pi root over what, children? LC. So, though you know that frequency unit is hertz. Yes, that and all we know that. Yes, you just see that, children, in the series LCR circuit theory part, there we draw the graph between impedance and the current, impedance and the frequency and current and the frequency. And here also I can draw that. So, this is the current I, and this is the frequency omega or F has taken. So, the graph will be looks like this. That means at resonance frequency is say for example omega naught or what, children? F naught value. Yes, for this condition the current will be maximum. Current will be what, children? Maximum. This is I max value. I max value. Okay, children, I max value. Now, what we are going to see that RMS value, we know that what is RMS value? Maximum by root 2. Yes, that is called RMS value. So, this is nothing but what, children? Yes, I max by root 2. For this current value, the corresponding frequency curve is corresponding frequency on either side of the resonance frequency, on either side of the resonance frequency is taken as to be omega 1. This has to be what, children? Omega 2. Yes. This frequency difference is taken as to be delta omega. This is what, children? Delta omega. And this also what, children? Yes, delta omega. So this frequency range, that is delta omega plus delta omega, that is called bandwidth. So therefore, bandwidth of the AC circuit, that is nothing but what, children? 2 times of delta omega. 2 times of what, children? Delta omega, that is called bandwidth. And resonance frequency, you can write that one in terms of either omega or f, that is our wish. So resonance frequency, that is what, children? Yes, omega naught. Resonance frequency is what, children? Omega naught. So this is the explanation about what is resonance condition and resonance frequency. And the second topic what we are going to discuss is Q factor. What, children? Q factor. Okay, or quality factor. So Q, or we can say that quality factor. Quality is factor. Yes, generally this Q factor or quality factor will give the information about, yes, the ability of the series LCR circuit, how much it is resonance. Or we can say that the Q factor will correlate or relate the applied electrical energy or applied energy to the power dissipated in the circuit. Power dissipated in the what, children? Circuit. So there are 3 definitions for Q, yes, in examination point of view. So I can write this is the definition 1. What is the definition 1 means? We can write that Q equal to what, children? Yes, a quality factor. Q is equal to voltage across L, that is voltage across inductor or voltage across capacitor divided by what, children? Applied voltage divided by what, children? Applied voltage. What is this applied voltage, sir? Means that is voltage across the resistance. That is voltage across the what, children? Resistance. So we can write in words, it is the ratio of voltage across the inductor or voltage across the capacitor divided by applied voltage. Or I can write that, yes, this is the expression, children. Or we can say that Q equal to either VL by S VR, or we can say that Q is equal to S VC by VR. VC by what, children? VR. Yes. So this is one kind of definition. And second one is definition 2 is definition 2. That one is in terms of as a frequency. In terms of what, children? Frequency. Q is equal to omega naught divided by what, children? 2 into delta omega. Omega naught divided by what, children? 2 into delta omega. That is nothing but resonance frequency. Resonance frequency divided by what, children? Bandwidth. Divided by what, children? Bandwidth. This is the another definition for Q in terms of frequencies. And there is a third definition. Definition 3 I can write in terms of the value L, R and C. Just take this expression. Yes, so you just see that Q is equal to what, children? Yes, we can say that VL by VR. So that is, for example, I have taken VL by VR. V is generally what, children? I into XL. I into XL. Therefore, I into XL divided by what, children? I into R. So I gets cancelled out. Therefore, Q is equal to XL. At resonance condition, Q factor is defined at the resonance condition. So or any series LCR circuit, we can define at any series LCR circuit. Now please see that XL can be written as, yes, XL can be written as L omega divided by R. L omega naught divided by what, children? R. Okay, where omega naught is what? Is the frequency, resonance frequency. So therefore, we know that L by R into omega naught. Yes, we know that omega naught is 1 by root LC. Therefore, we can write that 1 by root LC. And this L can be written as root L into root L. So one root L and another root L gets cancelled out. So in numerator is having only one root L. So this L can be written as root L into what, children? Root L. So one root L gets cancelled. What is the remaining term, children? Yes, this L can be written as in this manner. So this is just for your understanding purpose. This is just for your what, children? Understanding purpose. So one root L gets cancelled. Therefore, I can get that is 1 by R, the remaining is root L divided by what, children? Root C. Or altogether I can write that 1 by R root over what, children? L by C. Root over what, children? L by C. So from this equation we can say that S Q is equal to, therefore we can say that what, children? S Q is equal to is 1 by R root over L by C, or we can say that the Q is inversely proportional to R. So when value of R increases in the LCR circuit, the quality factor value will be decreases. That means there will be more as power loss. There will be more what, children? As power loss, because we know that whenever resistance is there, there will be more power loss. Yes, so that we will discuss. Okay, now please see that, children. Yes, so now I am drawing the graph between omega R frequency with the current I for the different values of R. For the different values of R, therefore this will be the graph what I am getting for the different values of R. Okay, yes, so please these are the maximum voltage values or current values. So this will be is, now please see that. So this is the omega naught or F naught value. Say this is for the resistance R1, this is for the resistance R2, this is the resistance R3. So we know that current and resistance are is inversely proportional. Current and resistance are inversely proportional. So when R decreases, I max will be increases. So here you just see that for this R3, the I max will be more. For this R2, it will be less, it will be less. So from this we can assume that is R1 is greater than R2 is greater than what, children? R3. When R is more, yes, Q will be less. Q will be less means that the current will be, current in the circuit, the maximum current in the circuit also will be less. Therefore I can say that Q1 is lesser than Q2 is lesser than yes, Q3. Okay, suppose if there is no resistance or resistance of the circuit is very negligible, then we can approximate R has to be 0. R has to be 0 means Q equal to what, children? Infinity. That means the current will have the very large value or infinite value. So that may be is that cases may be drawn like this. So this will be corresponding to is R equal to 0 case. R equal to 0 situation. Okay, children. So this is the information about what is resonance in series LCR circuit and resonance frequency, quality factor and related graph, children. Yes. So this is the very important concept for the understanding of LCR circuit. Kindly note down the theory, students.